Shortly present background of the Mount Sagarmatha height measurement program, basic steps followed in the height measurement program, detailed methodology showing on the flow chart, surveying techniques adapted, computations, joint statement, joint processing, approval of the height, and joint announcement of the height. The program was started by Survey Department in the year 2017-18. This is the matter of national pride. We do believe this program has strengthened our geodetic networks. It has also increased and enhanced our capacity in the field of geodesy. Basic steps we followed in the height measurement program are formulation of the draft methodology. We organize international workshop for finalization of the methodology, field planning, human resource development activities, field surveying, computations, joint processing, approval of the jointly processed height, joint announcement of the height. This is the flow chart showing the adapted methodology and activities. We observe the data, we computed and process the data, then we jointly process the data, and finally we verify the results, and then we are in the day of announcement. We conducted precise leveling. A datum station was established in Madar, Sira district. The photographs showing the datum station. We also established trigonometric observation station at PK, Patalidana, and Chuyamu. Altogether, there are 4 datum stations for the precise leveling. We conducted 248 kilometers for the leveling. We also conducted GNSS and gravity survey. The image on the right side shows 346 stations where we observed GNSS and gravity survey. These are the photographs of the GNSS and gravity survey in the field. We computed the geoid. Both primary data and secondary data are used. For the primary data, we measure the gravity observation for 346 stations. We also use airborne gravity data, digital terrain model, free air anomaly for geoid computation. 2 surveyors from Survey Department conducted the GNSS and GPR observation on the top of Mount Sagarmatha on May 22, 2019. GNSS observation was done for 1 hour and 16 minutes. These are some photographs of the summit expedition. Altogether, 10 stations were simultaneously observed during the GNSS survey at Sagarmatha base station. Here are the station location map on the image. During the visit of President of China in 2019, joint announcement issue was stated. It was said the 2 countries will jointly announce the height of Mount Sagarmatha, Chumolungma, and conduct the scientific researches. For joint announcement, joint processing, joint technical committee headed by Deputy Director General of Survey Department and respective departments, and joint steering committee headed by Director General of Survey Department and respective departments were formed, and joint processing was done on the base of International Height Reference System. The jointly processed height is forwarded to Ministry of Land Management, Cooperatives and Poverty Alleviation, and Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The jointly processed height is approved by the government of Nepal. Today is the day of joint announcement of the height. Thank you.